Hey guys, what's up? So today I have one special guest coming here in my home. So she is my colleague as well as my friend from Kenya, and she's a very lovely friend. I decided to make a vlog with her, so I'm very excited for her to be here. And it's been so long time that we guys have met, because like she's very busy in her work, but right now she has got a little time, and also she's like moving a little far. So this would be like our last meet, I think, like before, for 2 years time, because she's going away like in Darwin right now. So I'm waiting for her. We'll see her very soon. So guys, my dear friend Billy is already here, and I'm so happy to meet her. She's the best, and yeah, she's my darling friend from Kenya. So
Oh, yeah.
I love her a lot.
She's my sister. You didn't know?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and she's my sister as well, belonging to another mother.
Right.
So finally, Billy is here in my house, and it is like very amazing for her to be here. And I always wanted her to come to my house and visit here in my house.
I'm finally here.
Yeah, and she's finally here. She's always busy, right? Like, why are you always so busy, Billy?
I have to leave. I mean, I have to pay my bills.
Yeah, of
I
course.
have to pay my school fees. Oh my God,
But
everything.
Yeah, but in spite of like all of the like lot of busy schedule, you like made it up to here.
Of
so
course.
it's so good, so good, Billy. So guys, what I like feel about Billy is she's just like my family, just like my bigger sister from another mother, and I think we had some relation in the past life as well.
Yeah.
So I really love her, and she's my best buddy, and I have a little surprise gift for her as well.
Oh my God.
Billy.
You're always making me laugh.
Yeah, and Billy also gives me a lot of gifts, so it's not like nothing new for her.
Thank you,
like
darling.
me and her.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
There's a special card which I have written something for you. Do you want to read it out, or?
Of course, I have to read. Oh my God. How lucky can I be? God, look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh my God.
I
You
hope
got
you
all
like
this for
it.
me? Oh my God. Oh, nice. Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
Thank you, Billy.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that's all right.
Good luck. Don't stop believing. Oh my God, that's so touching.
I always want like a huge success in your life and all the
Thank you.
good love in your life.
Thank
like,
you.
always. That's from my heart, always.
And of course, I always wish all the best for you.
Yeah.
My dearest friend, Billy. Oh, hey Billy, I still remember the first day we met and how fast you became such a close friend. And same to you. When I see you, I feel like you are part of my family, and there must be some connection between us in our past life too. Yeah, I think so. You make me laugh a lot, you know.
Yeah, you too. You're the best. Like, you make me laugh more.
Okay, my heart always feels happy when you're around. Your dance moves are the best. Oh my God!
Guys, I'll show you her dance move as well. Like in this video, I'm gonna show you.
No, she's lying. She's lying.
No, I will show you.
Okay.
Nobody can dance better than you. That's for
no
sure.
way, no way. Okay, let's go on. Okay, my heart always feels happy when you're around. Your dance moves are the best. You're full of joy. I really feel amazing and so special with you. Oh God.
Always, yeah.
You are so supportive, and you are the best. I need this. You need this friendship till the end of life, and I will always be there for you. And Sam, I will always be there for you, darling.
Like, this is not only written here,
my
you should
God.
get in your mind, but it's for my
Of
whole
course,
time.
of course. And of course, it's two-way traffic, right?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Alright, I know you're going away for some time, but I also know that for a true friendship, distance doesn't matter. I wish you all the success, good health, peace, prosperity, and all the happiness in life. Love you, my dear Billy from Ayusha. I love you too, darling. Oh my God.
I love you.
I'll
Billy,
miss you so much.
Yeah, I miss you so much. But as I've said, like, distance doesn't matter.
Yeah.
That's like the rule for us.
Yeah,
wherever we are.
That's the rule.
Yeah.
Oh God. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I feel. Oh. I feel like I wanna cry.
I won't make you cry, Billy. If you cry, then I can't let your tears come. No.
Oh Thank you so much, Ayusha. I really miss you, by the way.
Yeah, me too. I'm very sad as well. Really, I'm very sad. But I want like you to be very successful in life. So wherever you go, I'm always praying for you. And I'm always here for you. Like wherever we are, I'm always here. We are both in Australia, so.
Of course,
But when you come here, you have to visit every time, right?
I'll be sleeping here. What do you mean?
Yeah, every time you have to come here.
Of course. Thank you so much. I really appreciate
For this like line, I should like feed in something.
Hey!
And Billy drives like so crazy, guys. And
Oh my god. I'm not that bad.
but she doesn't make any mistake. But she drives like so fast, and like my heart skips a bit, like when she drives. But I know that she's not gonna make any
She
mistake.
thinks I'm gonna crush her.
No, that's not big. I feel like my heart skips, but I know that you'll drive safe. Yeah, I know that. So I'm going to make goat meat for my dear friend.
Yeah,
Billy.
goat meat, my favorite.
And I'm also very good at cooking this goat meat
I know.
as well. I think so, but I don't know. Like
I've tasted it before.
Super excited.
Oh my guys, it already smells good. I don't know what that is.
Oh, thank you so much. Something closer. So it looks
Look
like
at
this.
that.
I'm just making the gravy right now.
I feel like licking it already.
So I wanted Billy to taste the typical Nepalese food, which is the rice and the curry, and as well as the meat and the dal as well, and a little like pickle as well. So all the Nepalese dish I have made here, and I want her to taste and like comment on how it tastes. Yeah.
Oh my god, and those names, all those names you've mentioned, will I even remember?
So yeah, whenever like guests come in our house, like in Nepal, so we cook them the Nepalese dinner. So that's what I'm making right now.
Oh,
Yeah, Nepalese dinner, and it's like with our spices and all. So yeah.
that makes me so special.
Yeah. And also I wanted to like make momos for Billy, but I don't like still have the momo maker. So sorry for that, but yeah, next time I'll sure make the momos for you. That's for sure.
Oh, you.
Oh, you're enjoying the Coke?
Oh my god. I'm here. You're overfeeding me already.
No, not yet. So in our country we have a culture like to feed people like too much until their stomach hurts, like so. This is only like 25% of that, and yeah, you will get 75% like now.
Oh my god. I remember this day.
Do you want to say something in Kenyan language?
You want me to say something in Kenyan language?
Yeah, of course.
Nitakutukana utashangaa.
Okay, you nailed it. Like it's so good, yeah. And people in the comments, let me know what Billy said, okay?
Okay, skiza. Enyewe nina appreciate sana. Mazee hiyo dish.
Oh my god.
Alafu
Billy,
nitakukosa.
I think I have to learn the Kenyan language as well now. Because I'm not getting anything what you said, but it sounds good. It sounds good. So guys, I have made this Nepalese dinner for Billy, and I really hope she likes it. And this is the first time she's coming in our house, so this is a special treat for her.
Oh my god.
Enjoy the dinner, Billy.
Thank you.
Yeah, where's the wine? Is this yours? No, this
No,
is
this
wine.
one.
So there's a dal as well, and
Ah.
this is the special mutton I have made for her.
Yep.
And which one do you like to taste first? Because
Okay.
I
The
don't
goat.
know.
You want me to test the goat first?
Yes.
With me?
Yeah.
What will you do with your belly?
So she has tried the mutton, guys, and how is it, Billy? With all
Oh
the
my God.
necklaces, spices.
I don't remember eating something as nice as this.
Oh my God, that's
It's
amazing.
better than the one you brought.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I don't believe
Is it the same?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It's the same recipe. Like I didn't do
No,
anything else.
no. It tastes much better than.
Yeah.
So
I think
nice.
I should cook more in YouTube now.
Yeah, you should. You should.
Yeah, I should make more videos.
As your
right?
first client.
Mm.
Wow.
So yeah,
So nice.
supportive,
Thank you.
yeah.
Oh my God. No, I need the recipe. No, on a serious note.
Obviously, I'll send you all the recipes with all the spices, all the shops
Yeah.
name where you get the
Yeah.
spices. Yeah.
I'll carry them to Darwin.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there a Nepalese shop in Darwin? Of
I'm
course,
not
right?
sure. I'm not sure.
Mm.
But they definitely will.
Definitely will. Yeah.
Yeah, but before I trace that shop,
Mm.
I need to have something in my stock, right?
Yes, yes. So you have to fill everything there and you
Yes.
can only try.
Wow, thank you so much.
Everything
Can I
else.
feed you?
Yeah. I don't mind.
It's nice, right?
Yeah. For me it's less salty but it's nice. Like
It's
really
less salty. Put some pepper if that's the thing, yeah.
So guys, this is the end of the video and Billy is leaving
Oh
here.
my
but-
God, I love all.
Oh. So Billy have already tasted our food as well and she's so happy.
Full. Oh my God, I've never
And
tasted.
she didn't like finish all of it because she's very busy
No, why are you
person.
saying that? Why are you saying that?
No, she will finish after getting home. But yeah, she loved it, and I love like today's meeting with Billy.
Please
and
get me a man from Nepali.
Of course, if there is somebody, you can
Who
can
can
obviously.
teach me the recipe and everything.
So if you guys know somebody with a good cooking recipe, just always get the link to Billy.
Tag
and
me, me, please. Tag me,
you
tag
can
me.
tag her. And this was it, guys. And I hope you really like our meeting video with our dear Billy.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
It was so nice meeting, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so happy. I need to come back for sure. I need
So
to
next
come
time I'll again make a video with Billy as well again. So for today, thank you for watching and see you guys
Love
later
you.
on